Good morning, friends, and this is Roy here, and I welcome you to my channel, Roy. And today we are, आप खुद ही देख सकते हैं, we are on our way. I've done 100 kilometers around from Ahmedabad, and there's a stream here, and we are walking. We have to walk around 2 kilometers. We are going to Jhanhari Falls. It's supposed to be a beautiful place. That's what I've heard. Let's see. So look at this guy. Look at the view, guys. It's beautiful, awesome. And there's a speciality for this ride. You know, there's something special about this ride, that my wife is accompanying me for the first time. So hope she enjoys it, and she allows me to ride all the Sundays. Otherwise, you guys are going to miss all the vlogs. So pray to God that she keeps on allowing me to ride and venture new places. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So this is one of the best funs about riding. Yeah, so that's all. Jhanhari Falls पहुंच के मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ आगे क्या है.
Somebody is trying to make a chula. Square thing.
And then they are arranging, balancing those rocks out, you know.
Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful view. I don't know if you can see far off.
There's a
So beautiful.
there, right at the end of it.
And there, if you go further, the waterfall ahead. But I guess we would have done already 1 kilometer. One more to do. Go. And we should reach this side waterfall. So guys, this is the fall, Jhanhari Falls. So I hope you guys like this. It's a beautiful place. You can see, so nice. Look at this. Can you hear the sound of water? And Atul is trying to jump inside the water. Best of luck, Atul. Be safe. कहाँ अहमदाबाद में जाके मिलेगा. So guys, this is the bad side of Jhanhari. So much of traffic. When we came, no one was there, and suddenly people have turned. So now we are leaving. It's actually the best time to leave. So if anyone planning to come to Jhanhari, come early morning, leave by 12 o'clock, because by 12 this place is damn crowded. You can look at so many cars. And there's a whole gang of KTMs which had come here. Abhi they have left, but the best time is to come here in the morning. So Risha, let's go. Yeah, come. Sit. So we have taken a tea break. That's my bike. That's Chef Ali's bike, Indian Scout. So that's how it looks. And that's Risha. First we are just 30 kilometers away from Ahmedabad, and then the ride will be over. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this ride, and I'll see you soon. Bye. So now we are starting, and so we will take around I think 20-25 minutes more to reach Ahmedabad.